Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers audio widget to your Strikingly website. An audio widget can help you showcase music, podcasts, or other audio content in a clean and interactive way, making your website more engaging for visitors. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets and then click Create New Widget. Now search for audio in the search bar and open it. After that, you'll see an option to choose a layout, so select the one that fits your needs. Once the widget opens, you'll see the preview on the right side and the settings on the left side. In the content section, you can add different tracks and change details like the track title and artist name. You can also upload an audio file and a cover image. Next, go to the Templates tab, where you can change the widget template. In the Styles tab, the first option is Display Mode, where you can choose between inline or floating. You can also change the accent color, corner radius, and if you've selected a floating pop-up, adjust the screen position as well. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, copy the installation code and go to your Strikingly site editor. Inside the editor, add a Embed App block and add HTML, then paste the installation code into it. After that, save your changes and publish the site. Once your website is live, refresh the page and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.